Dino Debari Life Stories. Hands on your belly button. Debari's grandmother came to visit his home.
Debari, how have you been?
Hi, Grandma. Debari greeted his grandmother, but didn't even look at her.
Debari, you should greet your grandmother properly. Hands on your belly button.
How annoying. Debari grumbled to himself, half-heartedly greeting his grandmother. Hi, Grandma.
Debari, I bought you some hot dogs.
Whoa! Hot dogs! Gimme. Just as Debari was about to run up and take a hot dog, his mother grabbed his hand.
Wait.
Huh?
Tell your grandmother thank you first.
Debari pouted. It was so annoying to say thank you. Still, he half-heartedly expressed his gratitude. Oh, fine. Thank you.
Debari, enjoy the hot dog with your friends.
All right!
Okay, have fun.
Debari carried the hot dog to the playground where his friends were waiting. Hey everyone! I'm here! Hey Debari!
Hey,
How's it going?
hey, well, how did you get up there?
Everyone greeted Debari, but didn't even look at him. Debari was somewhat hurt by his friends and their reactions. Hey guys! Want some hot dogs?
Oh, how delicious.
Hot dogs.
Debari's friends took the hot dogs, but didn't even thank him.
Ooh, they're still hot.
Guys?
Love the ketchup. Yummy.
Just then, Trista said,
Hey, everyone. We didn't even say thank you.
Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry, Debari.
Thank you for the hot dog.
Debari felt a lot better after hearing his friends thank him.
Can I have one more, Debari?
Sure, and you're welcome. I wonder if Grandma felt the same way. Debari felt sorry towards his grandmother. I should go back. He wanted to hurry home and greet her properly. All right, I'll say thank you. Yeah. Grandma! I'm sorry about earlier today. I'll greet you properly from now on. Thank you.
That's a good Debari.
Debari's grandmother hugged him. When she left, Debari put his hands on his belly button and said goodbye. Goodbye, Grandma! Come again! Yeah!
Love you.
Love you too, Grandma!